My name is Zenon, and I own Creekside Nursery. We've been in business since 1992, and I've been dealing with the JCB products for 15 years now. My father started as a truck driver for one of the major sod companies, and I've rode with him. I've been general managers for other companies before I started Creekside Nursery, so it's been a good ride. When it comes to the shuttling the sod from parts of sites and loading trucks, it's 100% JCB, really. I own 11 JCB 50520s. I own also an excavator that we use here around the farm. So yes, a lot of JCB products, that's what we're using. A lot of times we're working in very confined areas. So if you had to go and unload this truck, like a straight mass forklift can only do one side, and he's got to go and unload the other side. JCB 505s, you can actually take one side off of the semi, and then that boom extends, and you can grab the other side from one side, and that's extremely helpful. Another thing that helps, we do a lot of retention ponds that have slopes and situations like that. So we're able to extend that arm and get that pallet of sod halfway at least on that bank, and the guys don't have to walk all the way from top to bottom. We have LiveLink, which is a phenomenal program as well. So we're able to keep tabs on when the maintenance is due. It gives us all kinds of information during the day on fuel, any codes. So we use that very much to be able to keep up the maintenance schedule. You got 11 forklifts that move sometimes 2 or 3 times a day from one place to another. When you're sending the crew out, a lot of these projects are very big in size. So you pin that forklift, you find it on LiveLink, and then you're able to send the crew right to where the forklift is sitting. So yes, and fuel, if it's running low on fuel, it's a great tool. The care that JCB takes, the versatility that the machine brings, make sure that I'm a customer that's being taken care of, and that's great.